15 genius long flight tips and tricks to survive economy in 2025. Let's be real, sitting in economy for 10 plus hours is a test of patience, posture, and sometimes your will to live. But here's the thing, you don't have to suffer just because you didn't pay $5,000 for business class. I'm revealing 15 survival tricks that actually make long-haul flights bearable. If you've ever tried sleeping while your seatmate uses your shoulder or stared at a broken screen, this is for you. And trust me, number 1 will make you think twice about that aisle seat you always fight for. Let's dive in. Number 15. The 3-hour rule airlines don't want you to know. Every 3 hours, your blood circulation drops 40% in economy seats. Smart flyers set phone alarms for subtle exercises that prevent clots and swelling. Ankle rolls, calf pumps, shoulder shrugs, 30 seconds each. Flight attendants do these constantly, but hide it behind drink carts. Virgin Atlantic's own medical team recommends this exact timing. Walking the aisle helps, but these seat exercises work when seatbelt signs trap you. Pro tip: do exercises during movie credits when cabin lights dim. Nobody notices, and you'll land feeling human instead of fossilized. Think that's sneaky? The back row strategy will blow your mind. Number 14. Back row brilliance. Most flyers completely overlook. Everyone stampedes toward the front like sheep. Meanwhile, savvy travelers book the very last row and win big. Here's why airlines hate when you figure this out. Back row seats recline guilt-free since nobody's behind you. You're near galleys and bathrooms, convenient when others climb over sleeping strangers. The best part? These rows fill last, meaning empty seats beside you become your personal lounge. Flight attendants confess they often upgrade back row passengers to unsold premium seats during boarding. Pro tip: Singapore Airlines and Emirates specifically designed their back rows with extra recline. Book row 71 on an A380. Thank me later. Think that's clever? The next hack gets you eating while others wait hungry. Number 13. Order special meals and skip the feeding frenzy. Airlines serve 300 million meals annually, but special meal passengers eat first, always. Book vegetarian, kosher, halal, or gluten-free when you reserve. You'll finish eating before regular service even starts. Smart travelers use this window to hit empty bathrooms while everyone else stays trapped behind tray tables. Special meals come from separate kitchens, often fresher with real ingredients instead of mystery meat. One flight attendant told me Hindu vegetarian meals taste best. More spices, less salt. Pro tip: forgot to pre-order? Call 48 hours before departure. Customer service can still add it. Ready to dress like a pro without looking like you gave up on life? Number 12. Dress for battle, not Instagram. Jeans cut circulation after hour 3. Your body swells 8% at altitude. Tight clothes become torture devices. Smart money wears merino wool layers that breathe, insulate, and never smell. Add compression socks to prevent grapefruit ankles and blood clots. Hoodies double as pillows. Track pants beat designer denim every time. Wear your bulkiest items on board to save luggage space. Pro tip: pack a landing outfit in your personal item. Change 30 minutes before touchdown to arrive looking fresh. Fashion models do this trick constantly. Speaking of smart packing, wait until you hear what beats every water bottle. Number 11. Wide-mouth thermos beats fancy water bottles. Forget collapsible bottles. Pack an insulated wide-mouth thermos instead. Flight attendants fill it with hot water for instant soup, oatmeal, or tea. Your drinks stay at perfect temperature for hours. No more begging for refills when drink carts disappear. You're creating hot meals at 35,000 feet while others gnaw sad crackers. Smart seniors pack instant miso soup packets. Warm, salty, satisfying. Pro tip: Stanley or Yeti thermoses fit perfectly in seat pockets. Choose a 20-ounce size for international flights. And speaking of entertainment tricks nobody talks about. Number 10. The tax rule makes flying actually enjoyable. Save your favorite guilty pleasure show exclusively for flights. Your brain starts associating economy torture with genuine enjoyment. I haven't watched certain series at home in years. They're my flight treats. Queue up episodes, pack special snacks, brew that thermos tea. Suddenly you're excited about 12 hours in coach. Psychological trick? Absolutely. Does it work? Every single time. Pro tip: download entire seasons offline. Airline Wi-Fi crashes constantly and streaming drains batteries fast. But where do you put that phone for hands-free viewing? Number 9. Turn your tray table into a personal cinema. Holding phones for hours destroys necks. Smart flyers know these hacks. Stick a pop socket on your phone case. Instant stand. Sunglasses work as emergency phone props. Hang a clear plastic bag from the tray latch, drop your phone inside. Stable and airline approved. The sick bag trick: wedge it between the phone and case, hook over the tray. Amazon's Flex Flap folds flat but holds any device perfectly. Pro tip: position screens slightly below eye level to prevent neck strain. Flight attendants swear by this angle. Power outlets aren't guaranteed though. Number 8. Never trust seat power. Pack smart instead. Airlines promise charging ports, then half don't work. Some planes have USB-A only. Others share one outlet between 3 seats. Pack USB-A cables, not just USB-C. Bring a 20,000 mAh power bank minimum. Multi-port adapters save arguments with seatmates. Pro tip: charge everything during boarding while the plane's on ground power. Outlets sometimes shut off during taxi and takeoff. Before you board, though, there's one website that prevents seat disasters. No, if you getting value from these insider secrets, smash that like button and subscribe. We drop new travel wisdom every Tuesday. More game-changing tips coming right up. Number 7. Seat Guru saves you from bathroom neighbors. SeatGuru.com shows your exact plane's layout before booking. Red flags mark broken reclined seats, missing windows, bathroom odor zones, and galley noise spots. Green highlights better legroom, power outlets, and quiet zones. Type your flight number. See everything airlines hide. Avoid row 11 on most 737s. No recline. Skip the last row on A320s. Bathroom symphony all night. Pro tip: check Seat Guru during online check-in too. Better seats open up at the last minute. Now about that seat survival kit everyone forgets. Number 6. Build your seat bag or suffer for hours. Rookie mistake: stuffing everything overhead, then climbing over neighbors repeatedly. Pack a small seat bag inside your carry-on. Before boarding, transfer essentials: headphones, charger, snacks, sanitizer, medications, eye mask, lip balm. Stash under the seat ahead. You'll never disturb anyone again. Flight attendants notice and appreciate this courtesy. Pro tip: use a lightweight stuff sack or large Ziploc. Clear bags let you find items instantly in dark cabins. Smart flyers know neck pillows are overrated. Number 5. Ditch the neck pillow tourist trap. Airport shops push $40 neck pillows you'll use once. Truth: airlines give free pillows and blankets. Just ask. Roll that blanket into a perfect neck or lumbar support. Turn standard neck pillows backwards. Support your chin instead of neck. Game changer move: pack a deflated beach ball. Inflate slightly for a customizable footrest that weighs nothing. Your ankles stay elevated, circulation improves. Pro tip: Tartiel pillows work if you must buy one. They actually support your neck scientifically. Skip the donut-shaped tourist traps. Want to actually sleep through the night? Number 4. Seatbelt over blanket saves your sleep. Flight attendants wake 73% of sleeping passengers to check seatbelts during turbulence. Beat the system. Always buckle your seatbelt over your blanket where it's visible. The crew sees you're safe, lets you sleep. This works especially on overnight flights when every 90-minute sleep cycle matters. Red-eye veterans know this trick saves hours of quality rest. Pro tip: loosely buckle for comfort, but keep the metal visible. Some airlines train crew to tap shoulders anyway. This prevents 90% of wake-ups. Feeling fresh when you land requires one more secret. Number 3. The landing refresh kit flight crews use. Airplane humidity sits at 12%, drier than the Sahara. Your body becomes a raisin after 10 hours. Pack this freshen up kit. Travel toothbrush, paste, face wipes, lip balm, moisturizer, deodorant wipes. Use it 30 to 60 minutes before landing. You'll feel human while others stumble through immigration looking zombified. Female flight attendants add dry shampoo and makeup wipes. Pro tip: Neutrogena face wipes remove that greasy airplane film instantly. Add eye drops for an awake appearance. But avoiding alcohol might be the smartest move yet. Number 2. Free drinks are a dehydration trap. Altitude makes one drink hit like 3. Free wine seems generous until dehydration headaches strike. Alcohol disrupts sleep patterns at elevation, leaving you groggy and miserable. Smart travelers stick to water, herbal tea, or electrolyte packets. Save cocktails for the hotel bar when you've survived the flight. Your skin, sleep, and sanity will thank you. Pro tip: bring Liquid EV or Noon tablets. They hydrate 2 times faster than water alone, crucial for beating jet lag. And now, the number 1 aisle seat secret that changes everything. Number 1. The middle block aisle changes everything. Everyone fights for outer aisle seats, missing the real prize. On wide-body planes with 3 to 4 to 3 configurations, book middle block aisles instead. Your seatmate has 2 escape routes, left or right. They'll wake you half as often for bathroom runs. You still stretch freely, but sleep uninterrupted. Emirates crew members book these seats themselves on personal travel. Boeing 777s and Airbus A380-7s offer the best middle block options. Pro tip: seats 45D or 45G on most international configs give maximum flexibility. You've just discovered 15 battle-tested secrets that transform economy suffering into smart travel. Which insider trick will rescue your next flight? The middle block aisle game changer or that 3-hour circulation hack? Drop your worst economy horror story below. I'll pin the most outrageous one. If these tips surprised you, check out how airlines are destroying economy class next. You'll see the sneaky tricks airlines use to squeeze every penny from travelers. Don't miss it. Thanks for flying smarter with Passport Pro, and as always, flight smarter, not harder.